Hey, I'm Aria. Let's make Excel Excel. Got a long list that's hard to scan. WRAPROWS turns it into a tidy grid in one shot. You pick how many items per row, you can even pad the leftovers, and you can combine it with filter to wrap just the rows you want. Let me show you. Here's our Pokemon table, 14 names sitting in one column. I want them in a neat grid. I'll type equals WRAPROWS, open parenthesis, then pick the name column from the table, comma, and 7 for the wrap count. Hit enter. 2 clean rows of 7 names each, spilled right across the sheet. One formula, one go. Now let's wrap the type column with 6 per row. Same setup, equals WRAPROWS, pick type, comma, 6. But here's the thing, 14 doesn't split evenly into rows of 6. The last row would have errors in the empty spots. That's where the third argument comes in, pad with. I add a comma and put a dash in quotes. Hit enter, and now the last row gets dashes wherever the data ran out. Clean, no errors. Use whatever you want, a dash, a zero, even text. Here's where WRAPROWS gets really useful. I want a wrapped grid, but only for water-type Pokemon. So I'll nest filter inside WRAPROWS. Equals WRAPROWS, then filter, open paren, the name column for what to return, comma, then my condition. I need to find names where the type column contains the word water. Y is number and search. Because some Pokemon have multiple types, like dragon flying, so I can't just check if type equals water. Search looks for water anywhere in the cell, and is number turns the matches into true, the non-matches into false. So is number, search, the word water in quotes, comma, the type column. Now I close filter and add my wrap count, 5. Hit enter, and there it is. Only the water Pokemon, Blastoise, Horsey, Staryu, Feraligatr, Mudkip, all wrapped in one row of 5. One formula, filter and reshape together, no helper columns, no copy-paste, no manual sorting. This is the combo that makes WRAPROWS shine. That's how you make Excel Excel. And if you want to take your WRAPROWS layouts and turn them into a web app your whole team can use from any browser, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Your formulas, your logic, live on the web with no coding required. Link is below.